Hey, what's going on, guys? I was gonna show you this time how to fix a door blender because it's broke, and I had to rebuild the whole thing and get everything on parts, so it was too much work to do. So what I did, I'm just gonna show you is the easy way to get it fixed. This part was like that, so I removed this part. We don't need it. So your conduit is right here. You're gonna need a small wrench size 8 to remove this bolt. It's already loose, and you're gonna say, like, how do you cut that? I use this heat gun to cut, to melt it, to make it like edges like a door. And I did the same thing on this one, like that. I'm gonna remove the tape so you can see it. And the problem is, sometimes when I was driving, it's feeling like hot, and sometimes it's feeling cold, and I hear like a door was closing and open. So one day I realized, I'm like, I looked for videos on YouTube. It was hard to tell me how to fix it, and here it is. This is the problem. Let me show you right inside. See, that's the door. That door open and close for the heats go in and out. You see right now it's all the way loose. So when this door is open like that, so the air go through here. This is the AC, and that's the heater down there. So when this door open like that, so the air is go through here to there, and that's when the hot air come out of it. But what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna seal it like this. I'm gonna put a tape on it. I'm gonna remove all this old tape, and I'm gonna close it. It had to be closed, so the air is gonna go straight to the conduit down there inside of it, so I make it the cold air go through. And that's what you only need to do. Just put tape around this gap to keep that door closed in place. Put it right on it to seal it, and that's pretty much it. After that, I buy this aluminum tape. It's like 10 bucks the roll, and just tape it back together. And that's what I'm gonna use, the same tape inside over here to keep it on place. And you're gonna have AC back again. So when the cold weathers come, I just open the door, put it straight over here with tape holding, close the door, and the heat is going. I'm gonna have heat all the time. So right now I'm gonna have just AC all the time, so because the weather is about to change, so I don't need a heater no more. So there's the way to fix it. So hopefully they help you a lot. Thank you.